Is it time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we will explore the SOXL ETF in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 12th of November, 2024, and now we aim to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 11th of November, 2024, our system has identified SOXL as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.52. Now let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The ETF recorded a decline of 3.36%. This amounts to an average daily loss of 1.68% since its designation as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential declines ahead. Analyzing the 3-month trend, we observe a projected decline of approximately 5.82% over the next 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between -28.18% and +19%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates an anticipated change of 14.52% over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 0.0526% to 159.86%. This corresponds to a price range of approximately 31.68 to 82.28 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the SOXL ETF reveals that the price decreased by 3.36% on Tuesday. The price of the SOXL ETF dropped from $32.77 to $31.67 on the last trading day, marking 3 consecutive days of decline. Throughout that trading day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 7.14%, ranging from a low of $30.38 to a high of $32.55. Over the past 10 days, the price has declined in 6 of those days, resulting in a total decrease of 16.63% for this period. Additionally, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can be a positive indicator as volume typically follows the direction of the ETF. On that day, the trading volume fell by 24 million shares, culminating in a total of 73 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $2.32 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price stood at $21.29. Currently, the price is 54.82%, or $38.42, below the 52-week high, and 91.63%, or $346.58, below the all-time high recorded on November 26, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. The Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3 times Shares Exchange Traded Fund, commonly referred to as SOXL, has garnered attention as a leveraged exchange-traded fund that has generated remarkable returns of nearly 400% from late October 2023 through July 2024. However, recent volatility has resulted in shareholder value being approximately halved since its peak in July, suggesting that potential investors should proceed with caution. As semiconductor demand remains robust, driven by sectors such as cloud computing and artificial intelligence, there has been a significant increase in semiconductor sales. This has contributed to a strong performance of related exchange-traded funds, including SOXL, which has risen by over 2,085% in the past decade. Despite its impressive long-term gains, SOXL is currently encountering challenges. Elevated valuations and recent insider selling indicate possible weaknesses. Furthermore, major earnings reports from semiconductor giants like Intel and AMD are on the horizon and could greatly impact SOXL's short-term performance. The ongoing enthusiasm for artificial intelligence and data center solutions is a favorable factor for semiconductor stocks. However, the associated risks and current volatility suggest that investors should carefully consider these dynamics. In the near term, SOXL may experience fluctuations based on upcoming earnings and broader market sentiment, while its long-term outlook remains tied to the sustained demand in the semiconductor sector, tempered by the inherent risks of leveraged trading. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The SOXL exchange-traded fund holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, contributing to a generally negative outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a sell signal arising from the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is positioned higher than the short-term average. On upward corrections, resistance is anticipated at levels of $33.17 and $35.23. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal originated from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 7th of November, 2024, with the price having declined by 12.74% so far. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot point is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 148 days ago. The short-term moving average presents a sell signal from 3 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 14 days ago. When we examine the chart covering the past 12 months, we observe the short moving average shows a sell signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 80 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has a buy signal from 70 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support risk and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL finds support from accumulated volume at $30.09, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is regarded as medium. Over the last day, the fund fluctuated by $2.17 between its high and low, which equates to 7.14%. In the past week, the ETF has experienced a daily average volatility of 5.94%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $34.96. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $30.09. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We have a negative evaluation for this ETF, and no stop loss has been set. Is the SOXL Exchange Traded Fund a good investment? The SOXL ETF shows several negative indicators and is currently in a broad, declining trend, suggesting it will likely continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, our assessment of this ETF remains negative. Upon reviewing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, Our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 13th of November, we anticipate that SOXL will open lower, decreasing by 13.3 cents, and begin trading at $31.53. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below to share your insights. What is your target for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with best wishes from all of us here at Stock Invest.